So here we have 4 of these laptops. We've got one right here, 3 more identical to them. We have 2 separate issues. 2 of them have a broken backshell, meaning when you open it up, the hinge is making sounds, and 2 of them don't charge. Now, I've already done one repair personally before I started recording, which was one of the hinges. So this was the issue. We replaced the backshell because the hinge is no longer making contact. And I figured, you know what, let's record the second one at least. When I open this up, that hinge, did you hear that? It's popping right out. You see that separation in the bezel? What we're gonna do here is we're gonna open this up, replace this backshell with a new one, and call it a day. So let's get started. Since I can't casually open this up, because I will break this bezel on the screen, I'm gonna put my thumb at the very bottom so I can put pressure on the hinge as I open, like that. This is really bad, you can already tell. It's sticking out pretty bad, just like that. So I'm gonna remove this bezel, remove the screen, and we'll swap it out. If you've been watching some videos on our channel, you'll notice that we do tons of these backshell replacements. They're very common. It is a design flaw. Not the biggest fan of them. Sometimes they can be pretty risky. This one isn't that hard, but there is still risk nonetheless to the screen. It looks like we've got this bezel off in one piece, which is a win in my book. Now, as you can tell, this is the source of the problem. These hinges, or that hinge, has broken off the back shell right here. So there's no connection between these 4 screws and the back shell. That's why it just falls off just like that. As opposed to this one's making full contact with the back shell via hinges. Alright, so for now, what we're going to do here is we're going to remove this screen. There is 2 contact points of adhesive. So what I'm going to do, they're very light adhesive, they're not crazy. So I'll put this right here, and then we'll use some heat. That's what I did on the first one just earlier, and I'll just kind of pry off. And yep, that was extremely easy. Well, let's see if we can pop the second side. Okay, first one's off, and second point, done. These MSI laptops, they're not so easy to remove the back shell. Now I'm just gonna unplug the screen. From my understanding, there's no charge in the battery, so you don't necessarily need to unplug the battery to do this if you know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, you definitely wanna unplug the battery. Pop that off. Okay, screen has been unplugged. Let's remove the screen. Oh, the camera's coming off very easily, nice. That's all off. So we'll do these 4 screws first. Okay, that is off. This one was already broken, so it just comes right off. Okay, so we removed it, and now we're gonna throw this guy away. Before I bring on the new one, let's go ahead and remove these 4 screws that are stuck. So you can tell the 4 screws are right here. If you just spin them, it'll just keep spinning forever. So we're gonna need a pair of pliers. We'll hold one of the screws as we unscrew it. Okay. And we'll do this to all of them. And let's grab the new back shell. So here's the new one. Let's pull it out. Stick this in place, just like that. Put the hinges in place, and let's start screwing hinges. We'll do the left side, and we'll do the right side. Bring back the original screen, plug in that screen. Okay, screen looks like it's plugged in good. We'll remove the tape. Let's put back this screen in place. It all looks very good. Before I put the bezel on, I do want to test. I don't think there's, oh, is there any charge? Oh, there's charge apparently. Let's test the screen. Okay, no damage to the screen. This is the bezel. I do want to remove this. All of it has been clipped in very nicely, and it's ready for pickup. We'll go ahead and clean this up and invoice the customer. Okay, well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. This was just a simple backshell replacement. This is for an architecture company that we work with right here. They did send us quite a few repairs in the past, and just a few days ago, they gave us 4 of these so we can repair for them. Let me know what your thoughts are down below. If you guys liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next video. We are going to be replacing the charging port on these models. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.